Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today, I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 8, Extra CQ discussion. Today's lecture number 37 and SW number 32. So my dear students, let's start our class. Today we will discuss chapter 8, from chapter 8 extra CQ. Okay, at first see the stem. Here given a figure. This is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. This is P means the pole of this mirror. F is the focal length. Then C is the center of this curvature, and here is situated the object. So see this stem, distance of the object in figure is 10 centimeter. That means the distance of the object is here given 10 centimeter. Now question number A, what is called pole of a mirror? Number B, explain why concave mirror is known as converging mirror. Number C, determine the distance of the image. And number D, if the object is kept at 5 cm distance in front of the mirror, then analyze by drawing the shape, nature and position of the image. So my dear students, now we will discuss this CQ. At first we have to know what is called pole of a mirror. See, P means pole. So we can write like this: in a curved mirror, the middle point of the reflecting surface is called pole of the mirror. My dear students, I am repeating: in a curved mirror, the middle point of the reflecting surface is called pole of the mirror. So that means P is the middle point of the mirror. So P means the pole. Now question number B, explain why concave mirror is known as converging mirror. So we can write like this answer: concave mirror is a converging mirror because parallel rays of light after being reflected by the concave mirror converges or meet at a point of focal surface. Thus they are called converging mirror. I am repeating, concave mirror is a converging mirror because parallel rays of light after being reflected by the concave mirror converges or meet at a point of focal surface. Thus they are called converging mirror. And now question number C, determine the distance of the image. My dear students, now we will solve this mathematical problem. This is a mathematical problem. We have to find out the distance of the image. So at first you have to write what is given here in the question. That means according to the stem here given the mirror, this mirror is a concave mirror, and here given the 14, yes, 14 the distance from here to here. That means this is the center of radius of the curvature. So here given the radius of the curvature, we indicated the radius of the curvature by r, small r. So here given r is 14 centimeter. Okay, here given r is 14 centimeter. From r we can find out the focal length. So the focal distance of the focal length f equals to r divided by 2. So r here given 14, so divided by 2, that means 7 centimeter. Focal distance is given 7 centimeter, and the distance of the object is u. So u is given in the stem. The distance of the object u is 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter. So we have to find out the distance of the image. So distance of the image v equals to what? My dear students, now we will solve this problem, and we have to write the formula now. And we know 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. By using this formula we can solve this mathematical problem. So we have to find out the v. So 1 by v equals to 1 by f minus here 1 by u. Now put the value. 1 by v equals to 1 divided by f. F means 7 minus 1 by U means 10. So we have to take now 7 and 10 LCM. So it will be 70. So 7 divided by 70, that means 10. 10 into 1, that means 10, minus 10 divided by 7, that means 7. So 10 minus 7, that means 3 divided by 70. So 3 divided by 70 means how much? My dear students, you will solve this mathematical problem of your own. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this one. Now question number D. If the object is kept at 5 cm in front of the mirror, then analyze by drawing the shape, nature and position of the image. I am repeating, if the object is kept at 5 cm distance in the front of this mirror. My dear students, this according to question you have to draw a figure at first. Okay. So see, at first from part C, focal length of the mirror f equals to 7 cm. Okay, we get focal distance f equals to 7 cm. And according to question, if the object is kept at 5 cm distance in front of the mirror, that means you have to draw a concave mirror at first. You have to draw a concave mirror, then give a parallel principal axis. This is the pole P. Suppose this one is focal length f, and this is the center of the curvature C. So according to question, the object is kept at 5 cm distance. So if the object is given a 5 cm, then it will be the between the pole and the this distance will be the pole and the focal distance here. Suppose here is the object. Suppose A, B. This is the object. Okay. Now we have to draw this figure. Okay. So we'll the first rule we have to apply. The first ray coming from point B on the point P on the mirror, and after reflection it will go through the same path. Then next ray coming from point A, it will be the parallel to the principal axis on the mirror D point, and after reflection it will go through the focal point. Okay, it will go through the focal point like this way, and then another light ray coming from the center of the mirror. Center of the mirror. My dear students, you have to draw this line with this scale. Okay, and after reflection it will go through the same path, and if we extend these two lines, it will intersect in this point, and we have to draw a perpendicular from PO line Suppose this one is A dash and this one is B dash. So A dash B dash is the image of object AB. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood. And see, the image, the characteristics of image is, it is the position of this image is outside of the mirror, and it is virtual image because this image is the outside of the mirror. This is upright, and the size of the image is the bigger than the object. And my dear students, I hope all of you have understood this figure, this question properly, and you have to write this description of your own, and this is your SW topic. Okay, your SW topic is CD, question number C and D. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Practice properly at home this CQ and submitted SW. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.